everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do not know who I am, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome to my channel. So you guys have seen the Hourglas foundation review. Today's review is gonna be on the Farsali Skintune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. So you guys know that I'm very picky when it comes to my primers, because when you have oily combination skin, not a lot of primers can actually work. When your face becomes oily, it actually like separates away from your face and the foundation makes it look very patchy and pretty much disgusting on your face when your oil comes out. We're gonna go ahead and test that out. So I've already like toned my face, going in with the Farsali Unicorn Essence, and this is the Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. Here I always go in with this when every single time I'm going to do my makeup. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the Farsali Skintune Blur. Okay, so this is a perfecting primer serum. You can use this with or without makeup, used as blurring and tuning serum after moisturization. Apply on T-zone all over face or as a primer before makeup application. So you can also wear this on a day where you're not wearing makeup but you need to go out, but you don't want your face to look oily and you want to actually blur out all like your pores and stuff like that. You can actually go in with this. So this is how the bottle actually looks like, and like the green packaging is really nice, guys. I recently realized that Farsali actually released two other things. One is their face mist and another one called Glow Liquid. I think it's amazing and I can't wait to try that two products out as well. So opening up, it has like that stopper. For the Unicorn Essence, they don't have the stopper, so it just goes in, but this has a stopper right there so that bacteria doesn't go in, because this is a primer. So it is white in color. You can see it's really thick. The formula is really thick. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and apply this on my face. Not a lot from the tube actually comes out, so I'm just gonna take this much. I'm just gonna apply all over my face. Okay, you can feel that it has a little bit of texture to it, but it's not like super thick, and it doesn't feel like as if it's a water-based primer. It does feel like very lightweight moisturizer, yes it does, and it does like make my skin look soft. Pretty interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation. Today as well, I'm gonna go in with the Hourglas Liquid Foundation, because after testing this out yesterday, this foundation is really good. So I like it. I wanna use it. I'll see how it goes and sits with the Farsali primer. Foundation is on, so let me see how well. Okay, it does actually sit very well with the primer. It doesn't like split away the foundation or make your foundation patchy with the primer. It's really good. It does have a soft focus. I mean, this foundation itself has a soft focus, but this makes it look even more softer and even more flawless, guys. So that is good. So you guys know there are certain primers out there where it settles into the fine lines. If the primer is a very moisturizing primer, especially when you're oily combo, you are not supposed to use moisturizing primers because it does settle into every fine line that you have on your face. So I really want this primer to be an amazing primer for oily combination skin. So we're gonna test that out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, and we'll come back with my face of makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm gonna go and do like my normal things. I'm gonna go head off to work right now, and then I'll come back home and I'll check in with you guys and let you guys know about how the primer is lasting on my face. I'm actually gonna go and walk and take the bath and like go under the sun for a while and come back, and I want to share with you guys like how it feels. So I'm trying to go like in all different types of environment, cold environment, hot environment, and see how this actually works on the skin, guys. Due to the power of editing, I'll be back like basically like right now, guys. I just got back home. Besides, I have no idea why my lipstick has like splatter of like dots over here. I'm not sure why. Maybe because the lipstick cracked and got stuck to the foundation. It's really weird. I want to go in and see how my face is actually looking like with the primer underneath it. Besides my face looking oily because of oily combination, which is not so bad. So I've been like wearing makeup for like almost 10 hours now. It is not that bad, guys. So pretty much with all of the temperature that was around my face today, it's not bad. The primer is actually really good. I actually really like it. It didn't actually really settle in my fine lines though, besides my lipstick splatter. A little bit right here did settle in, but it is actually pretty normal if you're using primer, especially when it comes to a blurring primer. It's pretty normal if you're going to wear it for almost like 10 hours, guys. So it's pretty normal, pretty flawless, doesn't actually make me look like over dewy because I'm oily combo. This area and this area here is not looking very bad. Then here I'm normal, so it's okay. So overall, I actually really like it. Try not to go very heavy with this product if you're oily combo. If you're dry, you can go a little bit heavy if you want to. If you are normal, not too heavy, not too light, just right in the middle. So I definitely have to say that this product actually gives a little bit of tackiness. So the tackiness is there is because if you're going to apply foundation, it just like sticks to the primer, so it doesn't move around, because there are some primers when you apply on your face and you're putting foundation, it does move around your face and just makes it look a little bit patchy, but this doesn't do it. But if you're going to use this product out, if you're oily combination, you do maybe probably have to blot your face like once or twice to keep it in bay. Do not wait until your oils all just burst out and say hello to the entire world. That is my personal advice. So this is the end of the video. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to follow me in my social medias, go ahead and follow me in Instagram or in Twitter. I prefer you guys to go ahead and follow me in Instagram because a lot of things happen there in Instagram, a lot of story, a lot of live videos that is going on. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!